It's a nice day, and we need to upgrade our server that we created in the last video. So I was told I need to have 2 drives, so I bought this. It's a Seagate IronWolf 8TB. That was the only available drive that I could buy, and I was waiting for it for 3 weeks. It arrived in this nice box, right? But the box was kind of smashed a little bit. So we will need to check if this drive actually works or not. That would be a pity if it doesn't work, right? Also, my drives and everything else was getting pretty high temperature, so I needed to add this fan right here on a tape, but it did not hold up, so it fell off. This tape doesn't do much. So we will replace it with other fan. I bought this fan. It's a steam fan. So if you compare it to this one, you'll see it has a lot of thickness taken over because we don't have any space in the case right here to place the bigger fan. So now we will proceed with modifications. So to resolve our grill issue, we will use similar thing, which is kind of fancy, and to mount it, we'll use double-sided tape. Just apply it here. And then in the center. I hope it will hold. And then to connect it, the wire, we will use, there is no dedicated front panel wire in this case, so I will use just a CPU header. Right here. We will tuck away the wires so it will be fine. This case comes with these SSD cages, like 2 of them, and only one for the big hard drives. I tried to use this one from Lenovo, but it's a different style, doesn't fit. So we had to unscrew this cage. This metal cage comes off on 2 screws, and we had to steal every screw possible we get from this case to mount our hard drive. this Seagate to this cage, so it would then mount it directly to the case. I still need to figure out the way to secure this because I don't have screws. Welcome to 2026 when you don't have anything and you cannot buy anything. Welcome. So even if I try to buy something, it won't be here anytime soon. Okay, so now we will connect the wires on the hard drive, and we will connect these SATA cables. I have to stick it somewhere below here. Make sure that this cable does not get into the fan. So I put it there. This cable. Okay. Doesn't seem like it has a lot of tension. And these wires that is just dangling here. I have space for them. And also this third SATA cable. So I left with one cage that I cannot use because I don't have this plastic stuff. But other than that, it looks like our upgrade bus. And we will be able to close the front panel with installed front panel. So this locked, the fan is in place. And it's getting heavy. So now I close this lid and we will try to pull it up and see if it works. We'll see if it works and if Amazon delivers working drives.